ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಸಾಯಿ ಆಂಶಿ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಕುರ್ತಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಇದು ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದಲೇ. ಬೀಬಾ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಜೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ, ಕುರ್ತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಜೋ, ದುಪ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್.
Hello friends, welcome to Sai Anshi Fashions. Today I am going to show you the kurtis, plazo sets and salwar kameez and dupatta. And I have a individual plazos and dupatta as well. And you will get a original brand surplus kurtis as well at the end of the video. Please request you to watch the full video and like and subscribe Asha's channel. Let's start with the collection. This you will get in the Angraka pattern. There is a lining in this. The price is 650. You will get S, L, XL and double XL. This is a cotton kurti. The price is 499. You will get medium, large and XL in this. These are assortment pieces. You will not get all the sizes. You will get only in few kurtis you will get all the sizes, but in few kurtis you will get assortment pieces. This is again a simple kurti. You will get buttons all over the kurta and you will get a band collar. And the price of this kurti is 499. You will get all the sizes in this apart from double XL. This again a printed, and you will get a embroidery on the sleeves and the yoke part. This is a printed, rubber printed. And you will get all the sizes in this from S to double XL. A very beautiful kurti. This one more kurti. You will get a sequence work on the yoke part. And you will get a silver line which is rubber printed with a silver line. You will get all the sizes except large size. The price of this kurti is 650. This is a cotton kurti, stripes over the kurti, and the price is 450. You will get all the sizes in this. This is a dusty black color printed kurti, a simple kurti. You will get a neck like this and a lace on the sleeves. And the price of the kurti is 499. You will get extra small, medium and large in this. The price of this kurti is 499. It's a dobby fabric. You will get a sleeves like this. You will get a work on this yoke part and the buttons, and again it's a plain kurti. The price of this kurti is 550. You will get all the sizes except double XL. The price of the kurti is 599. It's a rubber printed, golden rubber printed kurti. You will get all the sizes in this. This is a bandhni print kurti. The price of this kurti is 400, and you will get all the small sizes, that is extra small, small and medium. This is a SKD. You will get a embroidery all over the kurta. You will get a gota patti work, and you will get the pants, straight pants. And this is the dupatta, which is 2.5 meters. The price of this kurti is 1250. And you will get all the sizes except double XL. Double XL is sold out, guys. Shipping is extra. You will get a palazzo set. This is a, see the flare. You will get a big flare. And you will get a push-up pants in this. The price of this kurti is 950 rupees. You will get all the sizes in this. The price of this palazzo set is 1150. There is only one single piece left and the size is 36. And you will get a divider, the bottom of the divider. Palazzo set, you will get a gotapatti work on the yoke part and on the sleeves, and this is a single piece left and the size is small size. And this is the pants. You will get the pants in this. This price of this kurti palazzo set is 1150. SKD, the price of this SKD is 1250. You will get the embroidery on the sleeves, on the yoke part, on the hem. And you will get a straight pant. And you will get a 2.5 meter dupatta. You will get a lace on the borders. This is a printed kurti. The price of the kurti is 1050. You will get all the sizes. And you will get the straight pants. And dupatta is chiffon dupatta. And you will get a lace of the same cloth. Set, the price of the palazzo set is 799. This is the pants. You will get all the sizes in this. See this kurti, which is in cotton and self weaving. The price range is 500 to 550. You will get mixed kurtis in mixed sizes and mixed patterns. These kurtis will be in an assortment. And I have a very limited stock, guys. And the brand names I will reveal you when you call me or message me. These I have showcased you only few samples. I have multiple designs and with the sizes. This will be in an assortment and the shipping will be the extra. The prices are very high, but you will get at a reasonable price in Sai Anshi Fashions. And this is the palazzo. See the bottom. You will get mix both plazos and pants of the same brand. Again, I have a very limited stock of plazos and dupatta. The fabric quality is very good. Again, this is a palazzo. You can mix and match with the kurtis which I have and you can purchase accordingly. You can purchase a single kurti or you can mix match with the kurtis and dupatta. And see the bottom of the dupatta. It's a long dupatta of 2.5 meter. See the design, guys. See the brand. Again, this is the rubber printed all over the dupatta. It's a very heavy dupatta. Hope you like my collection. Om Sai Ram. Thank you.